Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Greta and on this channel we talk about natural health and well-being, and today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make my favorite ever snack. They are so delicious. Energy balls, bliss balls, whatever you want to call them. I'm going to be showing you how to make them in 3 different ways: chocolate fudge, salted peanut and cinnamon pecan, if that's how you pronounce pecan, but I can't even tell you which one of the 3 is my favorite. They are all so good, really easy to make, and the good thing about them is that we are going to be using base ingredients for all 3 recipes, and then we're going to be adding some flavors to each of the base ingredients to make our 3 variations, and the options here are endless. You can exclude and add in your own ingredients to tailor them to your liking. It's also a really customizable recipe, so I'm going to be using certain seeds and nuts, but if you don't have those and you have different ones, or you don't like certain ones, you can always add whatever nuts and seeds you prefer. You can even add protein powder, or you can add extra sweetness. So you don't have to follow my recipe exactly, just use it as a guideline and add in whatever ingredients you love. Okay, let's get straight into it. Okay, so for our base ingredients, we are going to be using half a cup of organic oats, half a cup of shredded coconut, third cup of pitted dates, and then these 2 ingredients are optional. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of flax seeds and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds for extra nutrition, but you can substitute these for any other seeds of your liking also. Okay, so for the salted peanut energy balls, we are going to be adding a third cup of salted peanuts, and you can use unsalted if you like. I like the saltiness, so I used salty peanut. Half a tablespoon of cacao powder, and a 1/4 cup of natural peanut butter. You can use sweet or crunchy for this, whichever you prefer. And then you want to blend it until you are happy with the consistency. And if the consistency doesn't stick together well, then add a little bit of water at a time until it does. And then you just want to press it and make sure that the consistency sticks well together. And to make the balls, I have found that this recipe works better if I squeeze them into balls rather than rolling them, because if I start off rolling them, they crumble too much. So I squeeze them into balls, and then at the end I give them a little roll as well, just to even them out. And yeah, continue this until all of the batter is used up. Okay, so next we are making the chocolate brownie energy balls. So I'm just going to blend up my base ingredients this time. So to this I am going to add 3 tablespoons of cacao powder, and this is going to make them really chocolatey. So if you want more of a mild chocolate taste, then you should add 2 tablespoons. So to this I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, and that is not going to leave them too sweet. I don't like my treats too sweet, but if you do, if you are more on the sweet side, then don't be afraid to add an extra tablespoon of maple syrup here. It won't be too sweet. And that is it. Look how delicious the batter looks. And if you want your energy balls to be more fine and soft, then blend it for a little bit longer, but I like mine quite crunchy, so I don't pulse for too long. Okay, last but not least is the cinnamon pecan, and to the base ingredients we are going to be adding half a cup of pecan nuts, half a tablespoon of cinnamon, a pinch of salt, and a quarter cup of peanut butter. Then we are going to be adding half a tablespoon of vanilla extract. And that is it. If you make a big batch of these energy balls, you can always store them in the freezer, and they are so delicious when they are cold. So I like to store mine in the freezer and take out a few at a time and eat them while they're cold. Okay, so we are all done, and now for the mandatory taste test. And yes, I did film this out in my back garden because there is no baking involved, so I brought my blender out here and did it in the back garden because the lighting in my kitchen is really bad. Anyways, oh my god, these are really rich in chocolate, but I love my treats really chocolatey, so it's perfect. Okay guys, I tried them all and I do have a favorite. The chocolate one is so good. The other two are really good as well, but if I had to choose to make only one and make a big batch of one, it would be the dark chocolate one. So this is it. Thank you for watching, and let me know in the comments below if you are going to try any of them, and if you do, let me know if you love them and which one is your favorite. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you try them, let me know which one is your favorite, and I'll see you next time.